Hi guys, welcome back. What's up? I miss you guys. So it is late at night. It's just 9 p.m. and I'm going, to start to unravel my hair. I will start from the front of my hair, moving my way back. Even I just wanted to see if it will, like, my hair will comes out really, you know if my hair is going to come out. Seriously, I think I will really miss those twists. Like, they're so cute, they're so pretty, and I wish I could keep this longer if I was breathing tight. And I forgot to mention you the video that every other day I just moisturize my hair with some oil, but it was still like itchy, but that's my hair. but when I moisturize my hair with oil the last 2 days, it was like really nice. So yeah, that is with my hair, so let's jump right in the actual video, because yeah, wanna see me taking down my hair or whatever. I don't end up like cutting my own hair. So that's why I'm starting from the bottom. The hair are kind of short, so I try. So oh, okay. Oh, it's on my hair. Oh, sorry, I did the London accent, but let me see my hair. It's alright. Damn, that's my hair. Damn, sisters. Oh wow, no, I'm not going to use the word sister. Damn, sis, is that my hair? I can help it with the accent. I went from like squash to like having hair on my head, but I did have hair on my hair, but it was like relaxed. But when I started my journey, if you don't know, see my my old videos 2 years ago, you will know, because I document this scene. I document the my journey. Pop up the rubber band like so. Oh shit. Okay, I need to find my way to come. We are done. Hey, okay, that's my hair. It's not really a protective style. Like, someone said that in the video that your hair are still showing, so mind you, it's not really a protective style. Like, I don't understand why I'm sitting right here and in front of this my wall. Like, the camera is right here, but I like the side view like you can get of me. Like, it's not every time you can get the side view of me. Anyways, so that's the new hair growth. My new hair growth, the new hair. Like, do you see this length? So I guess, like, when I started to unravel this hair, I know I said I didn't want to talk, but just before, you can see the final look next day. But the same way I twisted my hair, like, you see the hair is moving under the rubber band. So you just need to do this, so you will your real hair will start to take off the spring twist, to pull up a little bit, so you can see like that is your hair. You will start to detach from the spring twist, so you can clearly see your hair. And then you want to that's big to do this like so. And then after that we're going to pop the rubber band off. Pop up the rubber band off. Thanks God.
I can't remember. I think these are Fearless, the ones that I have on, but I'll link it below when I know. But she has so many lashes. I think she has over like 12 options.
Hi guys, we're back. We are back in my on my channel, and I wanted to show you that my spring twists are gone. So sad. I like this hairstyle a lot. Like, I have 1 pack and a half left. I wish for sure do this hairstyle like next year, like in a couple months, but you know. And this is how my hair, you see the hair growth. You see my hair is growing like thick hair, gang. Oh my God, it's almost been like three years since I shaved my hair, shaved my head. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Leave a comment. That's the same thing. Anyways, comment down below if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel. 1K on the road. Be a part of the family, and there is many more coming soon. I got so many ideas, guys. You do not want to miss that, and click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. So alright, bye guys.